If YouTube app is not working on your TCL Roku TV, it won't open, keeps loading, or just crashes, especially while watching YouTube live, you are in the right place. I'll walk you through all the quickest fixes to get it working again. So let's start with a cold boot. Unplug the power cable from a TV, wait a few seconds, and then just plug it back in. Now, after that it's still not working, let's try opening another app and see if it works normally. Now, if everything feels slow or stuck, the issue likely might be your internet connection. So to start, you can just go ahead and restart your router if possible. If the problem continues, go to the side panels on your TV, from there to Settings, then open System, scroll down to Advanced System Settings, and from there select Network Connection Reset. Choose Reset Connection to clear all saved Wi-Fi and network data from your TV. Now, this can help fix weak connection or streaming errors. So once it resets, your TV will disconnect from the network and you just have to set up your Wi-Fi once again from scratch. Additionally, incorrect date and time might cause this problem as well. So from Settings once again to System, now we're gonna explore the time settings and then go to Time Zone option. And here, make sure the time zone is set to automatic, or if it's not showing the correct zone, you can manually set it to the right zone or the current location you're at right now. Now, let's check another scenario. If other apps are working fine, but only YouTube is not working, go to the home screen and from the Your App section, highlight the YouTube app, press the star or asterisk button on the remote, and just go ahead and check for updates. If the app is updated but still doesn't work, use the same menu to just go ahead, remove the app from your TV, and then from the streaming store, just go ahead and reinstall the app on your TCL Roku TV. And hopefully YouTube will work just fine after that. Thanks for your time.